Create a new file. You must write .html tag, otherwise your file won't be work. And then there is not be a space. If you give a space here, then your file won't be created. And then submit. Now write the doc type HTML and then HTML. Inside the HTML tag, write head tag. Inside the head tag, write title tag. And then after head tag, write body tag. Write here this page name. And then write here now I don't explain about the code, but watch this code with your attention. Then see the result, how the code is working. Then you'll understand about the code. Right now, input type input. How does the now how does the input tag is working? Now run this page, then we will can see the result. How does the input tag is working? Then we will understand about this code. Chile Chrome. There is an input box. If we change it, if we write here, what kind of input do you need from your browser? From your users. If you need text input, then you have to write type text. Type mean what types of input do you need from your user. Then if you need text information, then you have to write type text. And if you need number, then you have to write type number. If you need telephone number or phone number, then you have to write type equal to tell. Like that, we want to make a button. That's why input type equal to button. Type equal to button. button button. Then this button will be the input type will be a button. This is a button. You can click here, then write value. What you value? What kind of the button? Show your browser, show your user. Then user can understand. The user will can understand about these buttons. Value submit. Daily submit. Refresh the page. Submit. User can click here to submit. And then there are another tag input type. Input type button. Value refresh. Reset. Value reset. Submit. Reset. Next video. We are making make a will make a sign up form. I will sign up form like Google